2007 Saturn Aura 3.6 liter. This is my second video on this one. So the aftermarket pipes that I purchased, when I got them, the first thing I noticed was this wonderful little spider web of angel hair on the inside of it, if you can see it clearly. That's the welding rod stuck to the pipe, left in the pipe on a poor weld joint. Looks like the inside of the pipe itself wasn't welded or tacked, so it's not very straight, and it's probably going to blow those hot exhaust fumes right at this poorly welded joint. They smashed each one of these pipes badly with a hammer to get them to fit into place, so the pipes are extremely restricted right out of the factory, along with everything that is inside of the pipe itself. I haven't opened the other one yet, but I can only imagine it's as bad as this one is. So, on the inspection from the pipes that I got off of Amazon aftermarket, very poorly designed, very poorly welded. They were assembled quickly and not very well. Will these pipes last? Probably not long. I'm going to take my TIG welder, I'm going to try to cut the rest of those filler rods out of the inside of the pipe, and I have a pipe expander that I'm going to put down the tube and see if I can't expand these pipes back out to straighten them up a little bit. Maybe I can open it up and reduce the restrictions so I don't have to wait another 2.5 weeks for a set of pipes so my customer can get his car back today. But once you are able to solve this problem, you'll be able to then pull your oil pan, which I was able to remove the catalytic converters directly off of the mounting brackets from the exhaust manifolds. It wasn't too hard. I didn't even have to heat up the car. I put an impact on there with an M18 and threw a little torque on it. It popped right off. The bolts do come out as one assembly, and there's a hole that they'll come right through, so it's not a big deal to get them off. Once you take them off, before you put them back on, you're going to want to drop your oil pan, removing all of these exterior bolts around the top side of the oil pan. Make sure I can come down a little bit so you can see a little better. So on the outside of the oil pan on the edge, and on the front side of the oil pan, you're going to want to remove each one of these. As you remove these, you're going to want to take the oil pan, you're going to want to pull it back towards the inside of the passenger wheel well, and then you're going to want to drop the front side of that down right here. And if you lower this down, you'll be able to then move it above this cross-member support beam, preventing you from having to drop the cross-member support beam. And then you can drop it down, rotate it a little bit, tilt it down, and pull it right off. It won't take long.